In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bluehost email with Gmail. This is a great way to consolidate your emails into one convenient location, making it easier to manage and organize your communications. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on that icon and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new page with a series of options across the top. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. This is where you can manage how Gmail interacts with other email accounts. Here, look for the section titled Check Mail from Other Accounts, PLP3. This allows you to bring in emails from other accounts, such as your Bluehost email. To do this, click on the option Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up, asking you to enter the email address you want to link. In this case, type in your full Bluehost email address and hit Next. You will then be prompted to choose how you want Gmail to handle your emails. You'll want to select Import Emails from My Other Account, PLP3, and then click Next again to proceed. Now, you are required to enter some specific details about your Bluehost email. Start by typing in your Bluehost email address as your username. For password, input the Bluehost email password you set up when you created the account. You'll also need to specify the POP server, which you can usually find in your Bluehost manual settings. It's commonly something like mail.yourdomain.com or your server's host name. Don't forget to set the port to 995, as this is crucial for SSL encryption, which keeps your data secure as it travels online. As you fill in this information, there are a few options you'll want to pay attention to. Firstly, there's the option to leave a copy of the retrieved message on the server. This can be helpful if you wish to retain a backup of your emails on Bluehost. Then, make sure you select Always Use SSL when retrieving mail, to ensure that your data remains encrypted and secure. There's also an option to apply a label to incoming messages, which can be incredibly handy for organizational purposes. You might want to name it something like Bluehost Email, so you know exactly where these emails are coming from at a glance. Once all this information is correctly entered and the options are set to your preference, click Add Account. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked your Bluehost email with Gmail, streamlining your communication into one user-friendly interface. Enjoy your newly organized inbox.